What plans do you have today? How much peace do you have in your heart? Where do you want to go from here in your life? Each day that you live is a chance. Each day that you open your eyes is a chance. The words that you speak are very, very powerful. What are your plans for the rest of your life? Ladies and gentlemen, don't waste your time doing nothing. This is when you have to go within yourself and know that you must make every day count. Because tomorrow doesn't belong to you. Tomorrow does not belong to any of us. Tomorrow is doing exactly what it has to do. It has already set the stage for what's coming. But neither you or myself knows what that day may bring. Think about life itself. Here today, gone tomorrow. No one is promised a second of air. No one is promised to wake up the very next day. If you believe that you are gonna go on and not realize that this day is all you have, good luck. Because you don't have it. None of us have it. We're hoping for the best. We're looking for the best. We're hoping that we can get something out of the life that we have here right now. But if we have not made peace,